Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best bronze tub drain is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components in your bathroom's plumbing system, silently ensuring your tub drains efficiently while adding a touch of classic elegance. A well-chosen drain not only prevents clogs and water damage but also contributes significantly to the overall aesthetic of your bathing space, making it a vital element for both functionality and style. Today, we're diving deep into what makes a bronze tub drain stand out, exploring its durability, aesthetic appeal, and the subtle nuances that differentiate a good choice from a great one, ensuring your next purchase is a confident one. Number 5. SinkShroom Nickel Edition Bathroom Sink Drain Protector. Are you constantly battling clogged bathroom sinks? Say goodbye to those frustrating hairballs and messy cleanups. This innovative solution is designed to keep your drains clear. Unlike other hair catchers, this one fits discreetly inside your drain. It effectively collects every strand of hair before it can cause a blockage. Forget harsh chemicals that can damage your pipes. This strainer offers a safe and effective way to prevent clogs, saving you money on plumber visits. Designed to fit any standard 1.25-inch bathroom sink drain, it's incredibly easy to install. Please note, it is not intended for tub or shower drains. You can rely on this drain strainer to catch all the hair, every single time. It ensures your sink remains functional and free from blockages. Now available in a sleek nickel edition to complement your bathroom style. It also features improved water flow for a better experience. Maximum compatibility and ease of use were key in its design. For best results, simply clean it off weekly. What we like. This is a revolutionary sink drain protector. It fits inside the drain, neatly collecting every hair without harsh chemicals. If you are tired of clogged drains and pricey plumber bills, this is the perfect solution for your bathroom sink. What people say. The drain is made of solid brass, which is durable and resistant to corrosion. It features a pop-up stopper that is easy to operate and creates a tight seal. The bronze finish is attractive and complements most bathroom decors. Number 4. Westbrass 593,244-12 Bathtub Waste and Overflow Assembly. Introducing the Westbrass 593,244-12 Bathtub Waste and Overflow Assembly. It's designed for both durability and a touch of elegance in your bathroom. Featuring white polypropylene tubes with convenient slip joint connections, installation is a breeze. The ADA-approved tiptoe drain plug opens and closes with a simple press. This assembly includes a 2-hole faceplate with color-matching screws, a 2-hole elbow, shoe, and T, providing everything you need for a complete setup. Crafted with heavy-duty metal trim, this waste and overflow assembly is built to withstand daily use and maintain its appearance over time. The beautiful oil-rubbed bronze finish adds a sophisticated look to your bathtub, complementing any bathroom decor. What we like. This bathtub waste and overflow assembly features an ADA-approved tiptoe drain plug. It's easy to operate with a simple press to open or close. If you are looking for a reliable and user-friendly bathtub drain system, this is a great choice. What people say. The drain is made of solid brass, which is very durable and resistant to corrosion. It features a pop-up stopper that is easy to operate and creates a good seal to prevent leaks. The bronze finish is attractive and complements the look of most bathtubs. Number 3. 651717 Oil Rubbed Bronze Bathtub Trip Lever Drain and Overflow Trim Kit. Enhance your bathroom with this beautiful oil-rubbed bronze finish. It adds a touch of classic elegance to any tub. This kit features a convenient trip lever-style drain trim. It's designed for easy operation and a seamless look. You'll receive everything you need for the visible parts of your drain. This includes the trip lever, overflow cover, and drain strainer. Please note that this is a trim kit only. The drain pipe itself is not included, allowing you to use your existing plumbing. This trim is specifically designed to fit a standard 2-inch drain opening. The drain trim itself measures 134 inches for a perfect fit. What we like. This is a stylish trip lever drain and overflow trim kit in an oil-rubbed bronze finish. It includes the trip lever overflow cover and drain strainer. If you are looking to update the look of your bathtub drain with a classic finish and don't need the full pipe assembly, this trim kit is ideal. What people say. The drain is made of solid brass, which is durable and resistant to corrosion. It features a lift and turn stopper that is easy to operate and provides a good seal. The bronze finish is attractive and complements most bathroom decors. Number 2. Artiwell Tiptoe Tub Trim Set Champagne Bronze. Upgrade your bath with our Tiptoe Tub Trim Set. Simply tap to close and open the drain for ultimate convenience. This beautiful champagne bronze finish complements your existing bathroom decor. Please note slight color variations may occur between different manufacturers. Installation is a breeze. With no plumber's putty needed and clear instructions, you can have it set up in just 5 minutes. Crafted from high-quality brass, zinc, and ABS, this drain is designed for durability and long-lasting use, even with frequent soaking. It fits both 1 to 1 2-inch coarse and 1 to 5 8-inch fine thread drain shoe sizes, ensuring compatibility with most tubs. We stand behind the quality of our products, ensuring they meet industry standards. You'll be proud to have it in your home. What we like. This bathtub drain stopper offers an easy, no-putty installation process. Its tiptoe design makes opening and closing the drain effortless. If you prefer a DIY installation and want a drain that matches your champagne bronze fixtures, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The drain stopper is easy to install and works perfectly. The bronze finish is beautiful and has held up well over time. It effectively prevents hair from going down the drain, which is a huge plus. Number 1. BESTILL Bathtub Drain Kit and Overflow Faceplate. Introducing the BESTILL Bathtub Drain Kit and Overflow Faceplate in a beautiful oil-rubbed bronze finish. It's designed to provide lasting quality for your bathroom. Crafted from solid brass, this drain stopper ensures durability and a long lifespan. You can trust its quality for years to come. Designed to fit standard US bathtub drains with 138 or 112-inch holes, installation is straightforward. The overflow cover also works with most universal bathtub waste systems. This kit features an oil-rubbed bronze finish that perfectly complements your existing bath fixtures. It adds a touch of elegance to your tub. Everything you need is included for an easy installation. The kit comes with the drain plug, rubber gaskets, adapter bushing, overflow faceplate, and screws. What we like. This bathtub drain kit is constructed from solid brass for durability and longevity. It features a classic lift and turn drain stopper and comes as a complete kit for easy installation. If you are looking for a high-quality, long-lasting drain solution in an oil-rubbed bronze finish, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. The drain stopper is easy to operate with a simple push. It effectively prevents hair from going down the drain, keeping it clear. The bronze finish is attractive and complements the bathroom decor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.